You can have the purest intentions, but sometimes your bathroom ends up the messiest room in the house. Well, here's Melissa Maker with some time-saving cleaning solutions.
Hello doctors, it's Melissa Maker from the YouTube channel Clean My Space with some tips for how to keep your bathroom clean without actually cleaning it. Tip number 1 is to keep your surfaces clear. What this means is just have the absolute necessities on your bathroom counter like hand soap and a hand towel. Everything else from oral care to hair accessories and creams can live in drawers and cupboards. You can organize those in little boxes, and if you feel like it, you can even label them, because everything needs to have a place and there has to be a place for everything. Tip number 2 is to have a satellite cleaning kit at the ready in your bathroom. Mine contains baking soda, a good quality sponge, some all-purpose cleaner, a squeegee, and a selection of microfiber cloths. That way, if I see a mess in the bathroom, I can quickly clean it up and I don't have to put it on my to-do list, run and get cleaning products, and deal with it later. If I do that, it'll never get done. The third tip is to clean as you go. Anytime you're making a mess in the bathroom, incorporate the cleanup as well. That way you'll never have grimy buildup. A few quick examples: squeegee after every shower. I know it might take an extra minute. I've actually timed myself, but it means no soap scum, no hard water, no scrubbing your shower. Same thing after you finish brushing your teeth. If there are any splatters on the mirror or a mess in the sink, give it a quick rinse and a wipe with a microfiber cloth, and your bathroom will be sparkling for the long haul.
For more tips from Melissa, you can visit thedoctorstv.com. The global pandemic has changed our lives.
We've been through so much.
As vaccines roll out, there is hope for you and hope for the future.
I'm finally going to get my vaccine.
Through these challenging and historical times, the doctors have been by your side. This is why we went to medical school.
This is why we're here.
All May, we'll give you the inside track on health and wellness.
Today I've been granted exclusive access to get a behind-the-scenes look at COVID contraband.
So you can get back to the life you deserve.
We hope that today we inspired you all to be better, because we will get through this.
It's time to take your power back. It is getting better. There is hope.
Love it.
I think I can. I can get there.
You betcha.
Absolutely.
The doctor is now more than ever.